5 seconds. That's how long his answer took. When I asked a traditional medicine practitioner in China why pain keeps coming back, what he told me is the same thing he teaches every patient who walks through his door. I'm a pharmacist with almost 30 years of experience, and I help people over 50, 60, 70 reclaim their vitality naturally and holistically. Here's what he told me. He said, stop treating the pain and start treating the inflammation behind it. That's the only way it doesn't come back. And this isn't just one practitioner's, personal philosophy. It's how traditional Chinese medicine approaches pain across the whole of Asia. I saw it again at Tonghua Hospital in Hong Kong, where practitioners don't just ask, where does it hurt first? They ask about sleep, digestion, and stress, because inflammation feeds off of all these three. And it's not just what happens inside the hospital. Walk through any park in China in the early morning hours, and you'll see it in practice. Elderly men and women, and sometimes even, younger people with families and little children, moving slowly through Tai Chi. And, Tai Chi, now listen, y'all, Tai Chi is not what y'all see, on those YouTube ads promising a fit body with so many pounds lost in 30 days. That's not Tai Chi. It's not for exercise in the way we think of it in the West. Tai Chi is medicine. It's medicine. Movement is one of the ways they keep that same inflammation in check. Here's what that actually means for you. Chronic pain that keeps returning, no matter how many creams, pills, or treatments you cycle through, is almost always fueled by ongoing low-grade inflammation, not one bad joint pain. It's inflammation running through your whole system. Treat the pain directly and you get temporary relief. The inflammation underneath is untouched, so of course it comes back. This is why movement, sleep, digestion, and stress all come up before pain does in traditional practice. They're not separate issues. They're all feeding off of the same inflammation, just showing up in different places. So, if pain keeps returning for you, here's the shift I'd want you to make. Stop asking, what makes the pain stop right now? Well, I know that's kind of like, just the most easy subconscious thing to do because you just want to get rid of the pain. I get it. But you want to start asking, what's keeping my inflammation elevated in the first place? And that's diet, sleep, stress, and gut health. The levers that actually bring inflammation down, not just numb the symptom. Most people don't need another supplement to try. They need a clear, short protocol that targets the inflammation directly. That's exactly what my 3-day anti-inflammatory detox planner is built to do. A simple, structured 3-day reset. What to eat, what to cut, and why. Designed to bring your inflammation down instead of just, chasing the pain. And it's linked in the description below. If you'd rather walk through this one-on-one with me, with your specific health history reviewed, you can also book a consultation with me, and the description is also linked below. Now, before you go, I want to ask you for something. I'm building this channel, this Root Cause Pharmacist channel, because I'm tired of watching people over 50, 60, 70, and the elderly get handed more and more medications instead of being shown how to actually address what's causing the symptoms. The average person is already on more meds than they should be or that they care to be. And I want to build a community of people who are choosing natural, holistic ways to get healthy instead of just adding another prescription to the pile. Now, if that's what you want too, hit that subscribe button right now. As a matter of fact, smash the subscribe button right now before you click away to the next video. And if this genuinely helps me keep making videos like this. And it helps this channel reach more people who really need to hear this. And stick around. I've got a lot more coming. I have a lot of, really good, valuable content and information coming on this channel. So I'm Dee, I'm your root cause pharmacist, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.